Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a quick video to show you a new collection of mini journals that I have available in my Etsy shop. And this is a design team project for a whimsical adventure, and I'll link that Etsy shop down below. And I have used Anya's junk journal kit, The Powers of Time, which is a Victorian steampunk theme, and I just love the images. Especially her. So I'll go through it really quickly. There's 4 mini journals and then 3 guest checks that I have collaged with laces, and I've used a bunch of my, a few of my blue, different color blue seam bindings to go with this kit. And so we've got those, and the little tabs are from the kit. This is from it as well. A little coin envelope. All of these are from the kit. And so let's start with this little guy. And this is some faux leather with one of the... I reduced them in size, but it's probably, I think the original size might be like an artist trading card size, but I reduced it for this. And this is just a little mini journal with a bunch of tea-dyed papers. There's another little ticket that's from the kit. Some music paper, tea-dyed paper, just your standard junk journal stuff. I've hand-torn it so the edges are all a little distressed. There's some parchment paper, some Shakespeare from the kit as well, little index cards. So we've got that little guy with a lace closure, and then we have this one. All the measurements and page numbers will be on the Etsy page counts will be on the Etsy listing. This was from a brown. I created the cover accordion folder. And then these are from the kit as well. And then some beautiful deep teal seam binding closure and binding. And then, and I again reduced them in size a little bit from the kit. And these are just the pages from the kit with parchment paper as well in this one. Go through pretty quickly. This one is naked, unembellished. I don't tend to do a lot with mini journals because I want to leave as much journaling space as possible in a smaller journal. But these images are just beautiful. Love the grunge. And so that is this guy. There we go. And then I created a little, this is real leather covered with some lace, a necklace, a 30-inch chain, but you could shorten that if you wanted. I like long chains with mixed media type necklaces. We've got some vintage watch gears and a little glass bead, and that's a removable charm dangle. So if you wanted to put it on the bigger journal or put it on a separate necklace. And then this also has a little seam binding closure in a another blue-green teal color. And so this is also hand-torn pages, and these are all either tea-dyed or the parchment paper, some tracing paper in here. So this has a ton of little pages in it. So we've got that little necklace. And then, make sure I'm in frame. And then this is also the faux leather with lace and some more of the seam binding. I grungied this one up a little bit with some distress inks. Discovery's charm here. And then a tab, and this lady that I love. And this is a trifold. And so inside, we've got a pocket here with a tag, a shipping tag. Oh, there's a little belly band tuck type spot with just some parchment paper in there. Take a look at her. Love that. And again, naked with the same, just love these pages. So pretty. And then this is a combination of little clock image, a combination of tea dyed and the parchment, and some lined pages. So lots of journaling space crammed in here. A tea dyed paper doily, so pretty. Here is a little with the same accordion folder, a little floating tuck spot pocket. Flip up here with a pocket, a couple little journaling cards and tags. And then here's the tuck with some more, a piece of journaling paper and another little piece of ephemera, and then this little metal tab which you could write in that and tuck that anywhere inside the journal you like. Another one of the images. A pocket here in the center. It's a tea-dyed index card. So all of the images are from the Powers of Time kit. And this, I've deckled the edges on these. But I love this page. And a little envelope. So I hope that you will check out Anya's images. Just beautiful. I really loved the teals in this kit. And this these little tags have a little bit of the grungy tea-dyed tracing paper at the bottom there. And so we've got a tuck in the back here, and then just a little label. You want to put the date or your name. And so that is it. And all the information, like I said, will be in the Etsy listing. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye.